Hi, my name is Rashid Johns, Assistant Manager, Global Transaction Banking. Today, I'm here to introduce to you Scotia eCom Plus, Scotiabank's new e-commerce service that was launched in 2022. Scotia eCom Plus is a suite of 3 e-commerce solutions that includes our virtual terminal, hosted payment page, and web services API solutions. The virtual terminal allows merchants to accept payments remotely by generating a payment link to send to their customers anywhere in the world. The hosted payment page and web services API solution provides integration capabilities allowing merchants to accept payments via their website. Scotiabank now allows the merchant to benefit from payment gateway and merchant services, giving our customers a single point of contact, which allows for faster, easier, and convenient e-commerce service. Before the launch of this product, merchants had to engage multiple third-party providers in order to receive e-commerce services. Our merchants are now able to expand their customer base, increasing their local and global footprint by conducting transactions over a fully secure e-commerce platform. Let me now show you how easy it is to use our virtual terminal. After signing in, you will select Generate Payment URL. Enter the payment URL expiry date and time, the order details, and then proceed to the customer details section. Here, you will enter the information for your customer, select Submit, review the information on the screen to ensure that you have the correct payment amount and name, and then confirm. Once you have confirmed the payment, a payment URL will be generated that you can copy and paste and email to your clients.